Hello, welcome to Timber and You. My name is Clint. Today I'm going to be making a log holder to help me hand saw some logs. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so all I've done to start off with is just to get some scrap wood. I've made these lengths the same length, and then I've laid these where I want them to go. I'm just going to do some simple lap joints and connect it all together. Now I've got all these joints marked out on the two main posts, I can take all the waste out of there, and then we can figure out the lap joints for the parts that are going over the top. Make a few cuts in between as well, in between the marks, to make it so this comes out easier. There's less chance of it breaking too much of the wood out when we chip it out with a chisel. Bad start. Of course, I'm not going to smash all the way through with this chisel with these bits off the end here, because that will likely cause them to come down here and split out. So I'm going to spin it around and finish it off this side. We don't have to fuss too much over it. It's just a simple joint to keep these pieces locked together once they're screwed in. Now if it's worked out properly, that should go in there, that should go in there, and then we can make the corresponding joints there, and here, and they'll all slot in and be flush, or fairly flush, and then we can glue and screw them, and then we can try it out. If all goes well, you'll have two bits that look roughly like that, and you can just find the corresponding joints and tap them inside. Or maybe they'll go inside a bit too easily like that one did. But now we've got all this, we can just take these ends off here, here, here and here. Then we'll have a nice triangle. Now what I like to do when I'm gluing and screwing with without a drill, without a power drill, is I like to make the pilot holes and get the screws in there before you start gluing or anything, and that way you're ready for when the glue up comes. Now the whole idea is that you use this, put your log through it to about where you want to cut it, and you angle it, sort of set it in the ground, and there you've got a good base to saw your log. So hopefully it works. If you put your foot on the back here for support. Hopefully you can cut straighter than I can. Oh, finally. And that's basically it. Oh. Thank you for watching the log holder build. I think it could have benefited from being made from thicker wood because this is quite thin. It was just what I had lying around, so I thought I'd use it. The idea is that anyone can make one, really. You know, if you're stuck for something to hold a log while you're cutting it, you can just whip one of these up really quickly, even without the joinery. So thanks for watching that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like, subscribe, share, please share it, and check out my Facebook page and my Instagram and all that kind of stuff. There's all links in the description below, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks a lot.